Understanding messed up, an English phrase explained. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, messed up. Whether you've heard it in movies, songs, or in a conversation, understanding this phrase can really help you grasp the nuance of English speaking. So, if you've ever wondered what it means or how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. Messed up is an adjective phrase that can describe a variety of situations, objects, or feelings. At its core, messed up implies that something is wrong, disordered, or not as it should be. It can refer to a physical mess, like a disorganized room, but it's often used to talk about more abstract forms of disorder, such as plans going awry or personal failures. Examples in sentences: I messed up the instructions and now the bookshelf is all wrong. He feels really messed up after the breakup. The company's strategy was completely messed up. Messed up can be used in various contexts: social, emotional, and even moral. It's a versatile phrase that can express everything from a light-hearted mistake to a deep regret or moral judgment. In casual conversations, messed up as a light-hearted self-criticism. Oops, I messed up the recipe, but it still tastes good. Messed up to show sympathy. I heard about your car accident. That's really messed up. Are you okay? In serious discussions, the way the company treats its employees is messed up. It's not fair at all. It's messed up that we live in a society where so many people are left without basic needs. The phrase can carry different degrees of severity based on the context. It's important to pay attention to the tone of voice and the situation to understand whether messed up is being used in a light-hearted manner or to indicate something more serious or concerning. When said with a smile or a laugh, it might just mean a small mistake. In a serious tone, it could imply a significant problem or ethical concern. In colloquial speech, messed up might be shortened to messed, or even transformed into messy to convey a similar meaning. There's also the related phrase, to mess up, which is a verb form meaning to make a mistake or cause a problem. Messed, the plans are all messed, we need to start over. Messy, he has a really messy way of handling his finances. To mess up, I didn't mean to mess up your project. How can I fix it? I hope this video has cleared up any confusion about the phrase, messed up, and you now feel comfortable using it in your daily English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about context, emotion, and the shared understanding between speaker and listener. Keep practicing, and don't worry if you mess up sometimes. That's how we learn. Until next time, happy learning!